Hi everyone! In this video, I'll walk through how to assign a work order to an existing ticket in FM Dashboard. To begin, open the work order you want to associate with a ticket. Next, navigate to the Action and Time tab. From there, click Assign Parent Ticket. Search for the existing ticket you want to link to the work order. For this example, we'll use ticket 9275. Once selected, the associated ticket information will appear below so you can verify you've chosen the correct ticket. After confirming the details, click Assign Ticket. This will link the work order to the selected parent ticket. Linking work orders to existing tickets helps keep related work organized and provides better visibility into all work associated with a specific issue.